What's up, guys? So first of all, welcome to Boord. Just to let you know what Boord is. So me and a friend of mine decided to start up a snowboard, surf and skate clothing brand, and maybe in the future diversify into creating actual snowboards, surfboards and skateboards. At the minute we're just in the development process of designing our first products, which will include like hoodies, t-shirts, sunglasses, hats, etc. It'd be great if you could all subscribe to this and support us. We're from Northern Ireland and we're just two guys who love boarding, basically just doing this for a bit of fun. Whenever we have the website running, we'll get the link up. But follow us on Facebook. You can get the Facebook in the description below. And as you can see here, there's been a bit of snow in Northern Ireland, which is very rare. So just out here making the most of it in local fields. I made myself a wee kicker, just trying a few ollies basically, and then was learning to do 180s. I think I landed one or two and the rest I fell on, but one or two is more than I've ever done, so that's good going for me. Yeah, I hope that you enjoy this video. Keep an eye out for more. There'll be surf videos, skateboard videos. We're going to do a series on skateboarding, going through tricks and progressing basically, so keep an eye out. My name's Chris. The other guy you'll see in this channel is Ed. Yeah, please do keep watching our videos. Please subscribe and like, and we'll keep you updated. And like and subscribe to this video as well. Thanks guys, bye.
Mm-hmm.